Hey sweet friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a S'mores Iced Mocha, a cold, creamy coffee drink inspired by the classic campfire treat we all love. This iced mocha brings together rich chocolate, bold coffee, and sweet marshmallow flavor for the ultimate summer meets cozy beverage. It's refreshing, indulgent, and perfect for warm days when you're craving something dessert-like but still caffeinated. Ingredients to make this S'mores Iced Mocha: you'll need 1 shot espresso or 1/2 cup strong brewed coffee, cooled 3/4 cup cold milk, whole oat almond, or your choice 1-2 tablespoons chocolate syrup, 1 tablespoon marshmallow syrup, or marshmallow fluff ice cubes. Optional toppings: whipped cream, crushed graham crackers, chocolate drizzle, toasted marshmallows. Directions: start by brewing your espresso or strong coffee, then allow it to cool completely. This step is important to keep the ice from melting too quickly and watering down your drink. Once cooled, add the coffee to a tall glass filled with ice. Pour in the milk, followed by the chocolate syrup and marshmallow syrup or fluff. Stir well until everything is fully combined and the drink takes on a rich mocha color. If you prefer a blended version, you can add all ingredients to a blender and blend until smooth and frosty. To finish, top your iced mocha with whipped cream. Sprinkle crushed graham crackers over the top, drizzle with extra chocolate syrup, and add a toasted marshmallow if you're feeling extra indulgent. Serve immediately with a straw or spoon. This S'mores Iced Mocha is sweet, chocolatey, and perfectly nostalgic, like sipping summer memories straight from a glass. And that's it. Your S'mores Iced Mocha is ready to enjoy. Full, creamy, and loaded with chocolate marshmallow goodness, this drink is pure summer nostalgia in a glass. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the channel with a fellow coffee lover. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you in the next delicious video. Free ebook: Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description: https://tinyurl.com/3coffeelover.